a world without clicks. Imagine life before buttons. Imagine a time when the simple act of pressing a button was not part of daily life. Imagine a world without buttons. Frustrating, right? Every task required more effort and time. Dialing a number on a rotary phone took patience and precision. No quick clicks on your phone. You couldn't just tap a screen to connect with someone instantly. No easy channels surfing on the TV. Changing channels meant getting up and turning a dial manually. To turn on a light, you pull a dangling string. It wasn't as simple as flipping a switch. Need to use a vending machine? Forget about it. You had to deal with clunky mechanisms, and often they didn't work properly. Before buttons, life was much less convenient. Typing a document meant using a typewriter, which was noisy and required significant effort. Simple tasks required more effort. Even the smallest actions were more complicated and time-consuming. Technology was clunkier and harder to use. Early computers were massive and required extensive knowledge to operate. The invention of the button, a seemingly small thing, changed everything. It brought ease and efficiency to our daily lives, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. The telephone pioneer Strowger's button revolution. Our button story begins with Almon Strowger, an undertaker. He was a man of innovation and determination, living in the late 19th century. In the late 1800s, telephone switchboards used human operators. These operators manually connected calls by plugging wires into the appropriate circuits. Strowger suspected a competitor, who happened to be married to an operator, was intentionally misdirecting his calls. This caused him to lose business and clients, leading to immense frustration. This frustration sparked an idea. Strowger was determined to find a solution that would bypass the need for human operators altogether. Strowger invented a new type of telephone exchange. This exchange was mechanical and automated, a groundbreaking innovation at the time. It used buttons to connect calls, eliminating the need for an operator. This was revolutionary. Strowger's invention paved the way for the modern automated telephone systems we use today, transforming communication forever. Buttons take charge from machines to everyday life. Strowger's invention set off a chain reaction. Buttons began appearing everywhere, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Telegraphs, calculators, even early computers all used buttons. These devices became more accessible and user-friendly. Joseph Henry, known for his work with electromagnetism, helped refine the technology behind buttons. His contributions were crucial in making buttons more efficient and reliable. Later, computer pioneer Conrad Zuse used buttons in his groundbreaking Z3 computer, built in 1941. This was a significant milestone in computing history. Buttons were becoming the standard way to interact with machines. They were found on everything from household appliances to industrial equipment. They were simple, reliable, and easy to understand. This simplicity made them an integral part of everyday life, bridging the gap between complex technology and the average user. The enduring appeal, simplicity in a complex world. Fast forward to today, buttons are everywhere. They are on our phones, our computers, and our appliances. We use them without even thinking. Why? Because they are incredibly effective. Buttons provide us with a sense of control. One push and something happens. They simplify complex tasks, and in a world that's constantly becoming more complicated, that simplicity is more valuable than ever.